GV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Visionary holding stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. First of all, 100% gains for the day is phenomenal. Like to see it. Like the overall carrier here is going to be at like this just crazy volume and short squeeze that's been going on. At some point of the day, we were even 226% up, which is a good multiple there. Personally, myself, I would not entertain this idea in market, but here we go. I'm making a video on it personally because for me to really be bullish, there has to be something of structure here, first of all. And there is nothing at the moment. So it's going to be me still waiting, honestly, like come back to the daily chart. For me to really be bullish, it will have to start breaking some highs of 560 with a full candle close, not just this week. So I'm just honestly waiting. It's just not a market that I will be trading. So I'm just going to wait. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And just to kind of give you my clarity on it, because I've made a lot of videos, 26,000, and most of the time situations like this just keeps going lower. Just my 2 cents on it, honestly. So